So you've discovered Varanga, your one-stop destination for ethnic shopping. But are you having issues while shopping from Varanga and having your product shipped abroad because of, say, a foreign mode of payment or a foreign phone number? This is how Shopre's personal shopping experience can help you out. Watch to know more. Go to www.shoppre.com. Log in or sign up if you haven't already with your Gmail account or email address. You will reach your customer dashboard next. Click on Place an Order under the Personal Shopper option. Click Next after going through the pricing. Copy-paste your preferred product's URL to the bar. Add details like quantity, size, color, and the price of the product in INR. If this item is not available, we give you two alternatives. Either to cancel all items in case you are purchasing more than one, or cancel this item and go ahead with purchasing the rest. Check if you would be okay with the pricing going higher and by how much. If you are not, you may click the same. This is because there are chances the price may change by the time we place the order on your behalf. You will go ahead and buy even if the price change is higher than 1000 rupees. Now you will see a payment estimate. Personal shopper fees amounts to 7% of the total order value. We have different payment modes available. You may choose your preferred one. Click on the available offers. If you opt for the Shoppre membership by paying an amount of rupees 3,999 yearly, your personal shopping fee of rupees 200 will be waived off. Else, if you opt for the Shoppre membership by paying an amount of rupees 3,999 yearly, your personal shopping fee will be waived off. Else, if you are a first-time user, you can avail a flat rupees 200 off from the order value. As you can see, the price has fallen. Now simply place the order and wait as we send your package to your doorstep.